Apple's latest AirPods have a new trick up their sleeves, offering noise cancelling without the need to block your ears with silicone tips. The AirPods 4 come in two versions, a standard set that are direct replacements for the outgoing model with a slightly refined shape, a smaller case, and better sound for £129. But more interesting are the AirPods 4 with noise cancelling, costing from £179. Both sets look and fit the same with a shape that's almost identical to the 2022 model. A slight change in the size and geometry of the earbud makes it fit better, remaining more comfortable after a couple of hours of listening. But those who didn't like the loose fit of the previous versions won't like the new model. The white flip-top case was already nice and compact, but is now 10% smaller while still able to charge the earbuds about 5 times. The earbuds last a little over 4 hours with noise cancelling, or 5 without it, adding up to 20 to 30 hours total playback time with the case. Inside, the AirPods 4 have the same H2 chip as the AirPods Pro 2, supporting the same Apple-specific features such as automatically switching between different devices and sharing audio with other AirPods from one device. It also enables a new voice isolation feature for calls, which significantly reduces background noise, and new head nodding and shaking gestures for interacting with Siri, such as dismissing notifications or calls. Apple has also improved the audio quality of the AirPods, producing more bass for a richer, more detailed sound all over. They have better separation of tones, greater depth, and improved balance with less accentuation of treble than their predecessors. There's no way to customize the audio, and they won't please audiophiles or bass heads, but they are some of the best sounding open-fit earbuds you can get. They also support spatial audio for virtual surround with music or movies with Apple devices. More impressive is the noise cancelling in the pricier model. Most noise cancelling systems require a good seal with your ear to be effective, and while they cannot match Bose or the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 4 managed to pull it off with the open fit far better than expected. It reduces the severity of most outside sounds by at least a third without accentuating higher tones, effectively silencing the sounds of air conditioning in an office, although being overwhelmed by the screech of rails and the loudest of London's tube lines. The earbuds support adaptive noise cancelling, adjusting its level automatically based on the amount of ambient noise, and Apple's class-leading transparency mode, which is less needed in an open fit, but a nice option to have. The personalized volume feature adjusts the volume in response to your environment, but I find it seesaws far too much out on the street with the passing of traffic. Conversation awareness detects when you start speaking to people, switching to transparency mode, and lowering the music volume, which works very well and isn't triggered accidentally by coughing, unlike most competitors. The AirPods will work with Android and other standard Bluetooth devices, but without the more advanced features such as pausing the music when being removed, conversation awareness, and personal volume. Apple doesn't provide an expected lifespan for the batteries. Those in similar devices typically maintain at least 80% of their original capacity for 500 full charge cycles. The earbuds are not repairable, but Apple offers a battery service for £49 per earbud or case and offers replacements costing from £69 an item. The AirPods and case contain recycled aluminum, gold, rare earth elements, and tin, but Apple doesn't publish environmental impact reports for accessories such as headphones. The company offers trade-in and free recycling schemes, including for non-Apple products. The 4th generation AirPods cost £129 or £179 with ANC. For comparison, the AirPods Pro 2 cost £229, the Beats Studio Buds Plus cost £179, the Beats Solo Buds are £79.99, the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 costs £129, and the Nothing Ear costs £129. The AirPods 4 are a small refinement in the physical form of Apple's open-fit earbuds, with big upgrades in audio quality and the option of noise cancelling for the first time. The earbuds fit slightly more comfortably and securely, but anyone who didn't get on with the previous design won't like the new one, and I wouldn't recommend them for running. They sound better with more depth that makes them a great listen. A chip upgrade makes them more reliable at switching between Apple devices and adds a few extra features, including clearer calls. But it's the noise cancelling and the slight slightly more expensive model that's impressive. They cannot match the AirPods Pro with their silicone tips or other plugged earbuds, but they can take the edge off most unwanted noise. I think it's worth the extra cost unless you predominantly wear one earbud only. They work as basic Bluetooth headphones with Android and other devices, but I wouldn't recommend the AirPods for people who don't primarily use an iPhone or other Apple devices. The AirPods 4 are slightly pricier than rivals, and you can find far better noise canceling in traditional sealed earbuds for the money. But they work better with Apple devices, and really good open-fit earbuds are still rare. The worst thing is that they're just as unrepairable as their predecessors, which loses them a star.